Hey everyone, it's Stephen from Total Market Traders, and we're going to look at the dollar today. Now, we're very close to this very key zone, so I just thought I'd share this quickly before anything happens. Probably should have shot it at the beginning of last week, but I didn't really see much price action. But if we jump down into the lower time frames, we can see a little bit of a bearish price action or price pattern. And draw that in now. We can see that it's just broken below and now it's heading much lower, or it seems to be. So let's jump back into the daily. We can see this is the next key zone. Reason being, if you look back here, price did react here, and it depends, it could just be a stall point, what we've seen very similarly here. And what I mean by a stall point is price comes down, just chops, and then breaks down a lot further. Like pretty much the opposite of what's happening here. And then it comes all the way down to the next support zone, which is 83.5. Reason being is it's historical support back in 2012 and 2013, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so 2012 and 2013. We can see price bounce, maybe put in a double bottom, and then that's where we see that. Or price comes down, bounces a dead cat bounce, and then just takes out new lows, retests, and then just heads much lower. So that's a bit of a case for both. Trying to guess which way it's going to go now is very hard. No idea from my perspective anyway at this moment in time. But from a technical bias, at the minute, it's more of a, it's just a wait and see. Set in your hands for probably the next month or two. See what the dollar does. Take advantage of any shorter term moves, whether it be shorting certain currencies or going long in certain currencies. We'll be posting those on the blog posts. Keep an eye on them. Greg will go over what opportunities there are on the technical and fundamental side, and you can just decide from there as to what you want to do next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to wrap this up because we've given our thesis over the past few months, really. Way back here, we've seen this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bullish reversal pattern. Similarly to what we've seen up here, which was a head and shoulders pattern. So it looked like it was going to reverse, but that thesis obviously didn't work out, and it's just something we have to accept as traders. We're not always going to be right. It's not the point of being right or wrong. It's more probabilities than anything else, and that probability just didn't work out. So hopefully you'll have understood that and taken away some value from that, and I'll leave it there. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks very much for your attention. Cheers.